guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a very interesting video, and maybe it will be super helpful for you. Today we're going to be creating some DIY hand sanitizer recipes that I found online. I will be doing both a gel form of sanitizer as well as a spray form of sanitizer using different ingredients depending on what you have available. Just remember that the doctor suggests that hand washing is the absolute best thing you can do. Wash them for 20 seconds. But if you're in a situation where you need some hand sanitizer, and right now hand sanitizers are just it's selling off the shelves because we have this coronavirus going around and floating around, so the shelves are just kind of empty. So if you want to attempt this DIY sanitizer, feel free. I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna show you how easy they are to do. These recipes that I'm sharing with you, I found them online. They're not mine. And they are options, and I'm gonna show you the different ingredients in case some things aren't available to you. But let's try these recipes and see how easy they are to make. The different ingredients I'm gonna use in the two variety of hand sanitizers. I have my varieties of alcohol, my 70% concentrate, my 91% concentrate. I have my 100% aloe vera gel. I also have 100% glycerin. I have my mixing materials, a bowl, a spoon, a funnel, and a few bottles to put our mixtures in. So when using the 91% alcohol, you want to do 2/3 of alcohol and 1/3 of aloe vera gel so that our end result is 60% alcohol. To make your own hand sanitizer, make sure you pay attention to the percent alcohol present. The WHO formulation is available online, and the recipes that I'm using this from is from inverse.com, and I will leave the link below in the description box. And per the CDC guidelines, making your own hand sanitizer is fine as long as you be sure that the amount of alcohol concentration is at least 60%. So that means the volume concentration in your alcohol has to be at least 60%. Also, 70% rubbing alcohol works just fine undiluted in a spray bottle. And as a PSA, they say do not use vodka to make hand sanitizer because the percent of alcohol in it is not strong enough to kill bacteria or viruses like COVID-19. So for my spray hand sanitizer, I'm going to use the 70% alcohol. I'm going to use glycerin for this one. So the proportions need to be 90 milliliters of alcohol and 10 milliliters of glycerin. And that will give you an end result of at least a 60% alcohol mixture. I'm going to add a few drops of lavender essential oil, just a few, because you don't want to dilute your alcohol a lot. This is just to help with the smell and the scent. You can use glycerin or aloe vera gel. So the thing with glycerin is it moisturizes your hands, so it's a little more heavier than aloe vera gel. So just be mindful that if you use glycerin, your hand's going to be more moisture. It's also going to be a little bit more sticky, but the aloe vera gel is non-sticky and it's more lightweight than the glycerin. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me that thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it, and I hope that you found this video helpful. If you have any other suggestions, be sure to drop them in a comment below and just say hello anyway, even if you don't have any suggestions. And I'll see you guys in my next video.